Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf, or Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about how to give personal information and how we use the verb be to do it. Okay? So, let's get started. In this first part, we're going to talk about personal information. Let's see what personal information is. Some examples for you. Name, nationality, email address, profession, age, phone number. Repeat after me. Name, nationality, email address, profession, age, phone number. Now, let's get to some examples of verb be. First, we're going to see some affirmative statements. You can repeat after me. I am, I'm, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, you are, you're, we are, we're, they are, they're. Now let's look at some examples with affirmative statements. I'm a teacher. He's a doctor. She's an engineer. We're from Canada. They are from England. Now you can repeat after me. I'm a teacher. He's a doctor. She's an engineer. We are from Canada. They are from England. Now let's see some examples with negative statements. And you can repeat after me. I am not. I'm not. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. You are not. You aren't. We are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. Now let's see some examples. I'm not a student. He isn't a nurse. She isn't an architect. We aren't from Australia. They aren't from the US. You can repeat after me. I'm not a student. He isn't a nurse. She isn't an architect. We aren't from Australia. They aren't from the US. Now let's see how we can use personal information with verb be. For example, for your name. I am Mr. English. My name is Raf. She is Susan. They are Mike and Julie. Let's see another example. For profession. I am an English teacher. I'm not a student. Repeat after me. I am an English teacher. I'm not a student. He is a doctor. He isn't a nurse. Repeat after me. He is a doctor. He isn't a nurse. They are students. They aren't teachers. Repeat after me. They are students. They aren't teachers. We can talk about nationality. I am from Canada. I'm not from the US. He is from the US. He isn't from England. They are from Australia. They aren't French. We can talk about age. I'm 38 years old. Repeat after me. I'm 38 years old. She is 25 years old. They are 18 years old. We can use it for email addresses. My email address is formagini.raphael@gmail.com. Her email address is susan@inter.net. Now guys, please pay attention to the pronunciation of these parts of the email. At, repeat after me, at, dot, dot. And of course, we can use it for phone numbers. Let's see some examples. My phone number is 555-1625. You can repeat after me, okay? My phone number is 555-1625. Her phone number is 555-3156. Their phone number is 555-2173. Now guys, I hope that the lesson has helped you. Remember, do the activities. Make sure that you try to use your English always, okay? And I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.